Okay, now we just have to wait for the live. Cool. Checking connection. And we're live. Alright, so back again. Oh, tonight, last night it rained. It rained bad. And we are talking about weather. And 5 people. Yes, Adam, the outfit and the accessories, you paired it with your perfection. Thank you, Akhil. Thank you. Okay, so welcome to the 30th episode of Apples with Adam. And Muatne episode Nali. Sorry about the, what do you say, the previous video. I mean, I got distracted. I went on a call. And Kavya says hello. Hi, Kavya. Wait, I'm just seeing, I need my num guest barbeko. Just say he was in the Big Boss 7 ali iday my guest, and I don't know where he is. Just let him see if okay. Meghavi, hi Meghavi. Adam, awesome look, thank you. I'm just waiting for my guest. So guys, you tell me, how is your quarantine going? How are you today? What are you guys doing? Adam sir, you're looking awesome. Your lipstick is highlighting today. Yes, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿತ್ತು. So this drink is the bomb. Shell petrol bunk nalli sikkute this drink. Okay, and the outfit, you all will see my outfit soon. Okay, I had a brunch ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಆ ಥರ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ. See, can you see him? Yeah, wave everyone. Okay. So that's what he's doing. He just eats and sleeps.
Oh my god.
So there comes our guest. Yes, I was telling them that. Okay, and our guest. Y'all are gonna guess who it is. So yeah, he just eats and sleeps. So welcome people. Let nam janaki ellaru namaskara, and please welcome our guest, who is, hi Prithvi, how are you? Hegidra Prithvi?
Good. Adam Pasha. Very, very good. Am I audible?
Oh well, you are very audible and you're very colorful. All the colors of the rainbow. Nimmele. Yake Prithvi?
Thank you. It's a floral looking kaftan.
Oh.
Okay, I need to figure if it's your internet or mine.
It has to be yours.
I can hear you.
Okay, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
I can, but it's shifty.
And shifty. Okay, because I usually ask my guests to rate my outfit on a basis of 1 to 10, with 10 being the highest. Sarina? ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಔಟ್ಫಿಟ್ಗೆ ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1 is the least, 10 is the best. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಕೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ. 1 second. Manager.
Explain what are you wearing, but I can't even see.
Wait.
ಬಾಗ್ಲೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಗೋಡೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Don't show this.
ಕಿಟಕಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Uepa. Pero mira que flow más bueno.
What are you saying? You know you're being
Mira
recorded.
esa vaina.
Okay, enough.
Diantre.
Oh, it's I will rate that maybe 6.
Oh my God, you hurt me. Okay, why 6? Why 6?
Because it doesn't deserve a 7.
Horrible, awful, man. So, guys, Jana.
Nice. It's just that yeah, 6.5ish. It's just without thinking too much, just the visual appeal.
Oh.
See, again, I can't.
Oh, I see. Okay, but thank you. And by the way, people outfit to Chandra.
But I like the accessories. Okay, I'll tell you. I think the gold perhaps would have gone better with black. perhaps.
I have
Maybe.
and more than enough of black nan hakitu. So today was my happy
For
day.
else, yeah.
Everybody was wearing black. So by the way, E Batte is
Sure, okay.
designed by Chandan Gowda, who is my official designer for the Big Boss. So the official designer is actually Rajesh.
Okay, tell you what. So, since you asked me to do that, rate mine too. This is a full-fledged kaftan. Floral kaftan.
ನಾನು ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕಫ್ತಾನ್ I'll give it an 8.
8.
8.
Oh, that's generous of you. Super. Thank
I
you.
know.
This
One
was,
must
this
not
was actually
return.
designed by someone else.
One must not give compliments back in the same coin, shall we? So, give it an 8. Because
Is that the reason you gave me a generous number, or did you really feel you deserved an 8?
Yes, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಯಾರು I mean nobody wears these things. So I give it an 8 ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ creativity and it looks
ಇದನ್ನೇ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳೋದು.
and ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 8. So
Big Boss ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ 90 ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋರು. Adam, I'm really struggling to hear. I don't know how to get this audio sorted. I don't know if it is. See, right now I have a power fluctuation, but I have a UPS. So
earphones ತೆಗಿಬೇಡಿ. Take off your earphones.
no, then you can't hear me clearly at all. Even I can't hear you then.
Says
But how does it make a difference? Earphones.
No, it makes a big difference. Really. Take off your earphones. Can you hear me just through your phone? Just through the phone. Can you hear me?
Adam's voice is breaking.
No?
I
You can't hear me?
no, it's
Check.
I can, but again I think there's a delay and all is annoying. Okay,
Delay da. Oh god.
I can go back with this because it
ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು
cancels the noise. Go for it.
ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ and join the live again. Disconnect and join again.
It's good. Okay, let me do that.
Yeah. Try that. In the meanwhile, let me come to you guys. So, Adam's voice is breaking. Yellaru nan voice you can hear. We think it's problem with Adam's network. You can hear Prithvi, and I can hear Prithvi correctly. Prithvi nankunu kelsutte. So, is it my network? I don't think it's my network, darling. Guys, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Dare my network give me problems? I'll just go and glare at the tower. My network doesn't give me problems. Huh. This drink is lovely. So Nene Ratri, I don't know how it suddenly just started raining. Full Bangalore Nali. Was it raining the entire Bangalore? And because here Lavelle Road, it just poured right up till 6 o'clock. Yeah, 6 o'clock then I woke up and it was pouring. It was just pouring. Thank you, Death. It's 3753. Okay, yes, it's fine now. Wow. Okay, so let me see if Prithvi's come back. Prithvi, hi Preetham, hi Rishma, Ramya, shout out to Lekha, Puneeth, Anirudh, Indu, Vivacious Narcissist. Okay, wow, I love these names. You know, suddenly you just find one handle which distracts you. Vivacious Narcissist. Wow. Okay. I'm just waiting. Are you wearing eyeliner? Illa. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಂತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ರೇನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ವಿ ವೆಂಟ್, ವೇರ್ ಡಿಡ್ ವಿ ಗೋ? We went near,
I'm not sure where you took
I don't know where, this just followed. So he just followed and he was sleepy and
He was sleeping?
and he's always sleepy and loves to be fed. So just give me a minute. RJ Prithvi again, adding him to my channel. I'm just dying for this. One more. This one more. I need today I need energy. Go. Get up. Do work. Go no. Please get up.
Is it better?
Baba. Can you hear me?
Yes. What are you drinking, Adam?
This is, give me that can. Wait, 1 minute. I'll show you. It's from Kingfisher, but it's not beer. It's beer illa. It is some lemon malt fizz. and it tastes.
some non-alcoholic beverage.
Yeah, it tastes
Acha,
amazing.
okay.
I never thought I could pour this. Idu glass nalli ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು I can drink it if it's not beer, but it's not beer.
Super. Cheers. All right, let's go.
So Ivagi Prithvi, tell us about you. Prithvi, ಎಲ್ಲಿ where were you born? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿತು? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಿತು? Please ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳಿ about Prithvi.
Weird as nuts.
ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರು, ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ದು ಕೆಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು.
Okay. Which school did you go to? Joseph's.
Oh my God, school. ಯಾವ್ದೋ Oberon ಕಾಲದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. You're asking me some million years ago question. I went to few schools. I think I started with Webster's.
Okay.
Webster's ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇದೆ ಬನಶಂಕರಿಲಿ. I think it still exists. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ brace yourself for this name. My 4th and 5th standard ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನೋ ಮೋರ್. ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ವರ ಮಾಂಟೆಸರಿ ಮಣಿಪ್ರಭಾ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್.
What did you study there? Was English part of the curriculum?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, it was, okay.
The students were very, very few. And later that school was transformed into a electricity paying bill counter.
Okay. And college, Yali. Where did you do your college?
College, Vijaya College. I did my BCom. In between, I stalled my studies second and tennis pursue ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ for 12 years. Professional tennis. Then I resumed college and ತಾಯಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮಗನೇ ಒಂದು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ. I said okay, I will do a degree for you, mom. ಅದ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ವಾಸ್ ಹೆಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ವೃತ್ತಿ, ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಕೆಲಸ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಸಂಬಂಧವೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. Degree was for the heck of degree.
What stream did you do?
But,
degree, what stream did you do? Art, science, commerce? What was your stream?
Commerce. BCom.
Okay. And you've always, in full life, Nali, you always wanted to be an RJ?
No, never. Accidentally, I am in this profession by chance.
Okay. So
ನಾನು ಈ ತರ RJ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. So I have two sources of income, ಎರಡು source of livelihood.
Okay.
ಒಂದು, I am a professional MC, master of ceremonies. I anchor shows. ಎರಡನೇದು RJ. I am first an MC, then an RJ.
Okay.
MCing ಶುರು ಆಗಿದ್ದು around 2000, almost 20 years. RJing ಶುರು ಆಗಿದ್ದು in the last 15 years or 16 years. Both accidentally I got into this line. ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ I had some wrist injury. During that rehabilitation, I had taken off. ಅವಾಗ I tried some odd jobs. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ I worked for a manpower agency. They used to pay 150 rupees, 200 rupees a day. Stand and give pamphlets to be on the registration counter, usher people.
Are you serious?
ಶುರು ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಹಂಗೆ. Yeah.
You've done all of that?
ಯಾರೋ
Wow. Okay. And?
ಅಲ್ಲೇ the person who ran that agency, her name is Samantha anta. She is the one who just asked me to give it a shot emceeing. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ರೋಡ್ ಶೋ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
Which Samantha?
I was very,
is it Samantha Pasha or Samantha Pinto?
She used to run an agency called Pixies.
Samantha Pasha. Karen Pinto's
Samantha Pasha, of course.
Sammy.
You know?
Yeah, very close friends.
Sammy, yeah. Excellent. Should commend my regards to her.
So
it started like that.
So Samantha namke one show kartittu. That time I was in
Yen show.
So one of her friends, Namita, her birthday party at High Ultra, not High. It was at what is that club in this hotel near Cunningham Road? Sky, not Sky. Hype.
Okay.
It was at Hype, and just one dance we had to do, Ashray, and we were paid for it. Of course, I'll go ahead and do it. We paid generously for it.
Yeah.
So Sammy has also helped me. And Sammy, ಈ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ she knows my family. Nam father's side she knows. So each time Nali, she's been helping me with not only rations, with certain things, and I really appreciate it. Big love to you, Samantha.
Oh, that's really nice.
She's very because
Sammy, by chance, if you ever get to watch this, my love to you too. Mwah.
because Sammy, I'm recording all these shows. I'm starting to record now. ನಾನು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಜನ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದ ಶೋಸ್ ಸೊ ಗೈಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ as well. It is Adam Pasha. Mostly you'll see dance now,
Awesome.
but henceforth you will be seeing now my interviews. Now Prithvi, tell me, you started all this, you were working with Sammy, you got your break into which channel? ಯಾವ channel ನಿಮಗೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು?
ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಆಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾಲಿ ಆಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಆಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ರೇಡಿಯೋಲಿ ರೂಲ್ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅವಾಗ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್. 72 days 72 ದಿನಗಳಿಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಒಬ್ಬ ಯಾರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ then you will have to give him all the rights of an employer or that of an employee. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್. ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಶೋ 2 ಶೋ ಕರೆಯೋರು ಆಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ರೇಡಿಯೋ. ಅದು ಆಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ರೇಡಿಯೋ 1 94.3 FM. ರೇಡಿಯೋ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಆಡಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್. ಐ stuck around with Radio 1 for 11 years, hosting the morning prime time show. ಇವಾಗ ಫೀವರ್ 104 FM last 3 years since I controlled, but Fever bought my previous radio station. So now Fever and Radio 1 are part of one big radio network. So radio ಶುರು ಆಗಿದ್ದಂಗೆ again both accidents. MC agli radio agi by chance somebody said give it a shot, I gave it a shot.
Prithvi, sorry to stop you here. There is one person, dad_moms_daughter. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬಾಯ್ ಮುಚ್ಚೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಶೋ ಮೇಲೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಪೃಥ್ವಿಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಇಂಟರಪ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮೈ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್ ಪೃಥ್ವಿ, ಯು ವರ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್.
Acha. So the private station, Radio 1 I did for 11 years of radio jockeying. ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದಂಗೆ did I ever aspire to be a radio jockey or MC? No. ನಾನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ I want to be a tennis champion. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ I didn't do well. I was ranked in the state, in the country. I played international tournaments, but ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ success that I've enjoyed is through MCing and RJing.
Okay. Then how many years idu RJing ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? How many years have you done it?
Over 15 years, 16 years.
Wow.
Of RJing and 20 years of anchoring shows, MCing.
So Prithvi, nim prakara right now who is the senior most in your league? In the industry, who is still now? Ivage industry nalli yaru senior, are there still senior radio jockeys?
Yeah. I grew up listening to a lot of them. Tarais used to be my senior. He also used to work with me. Rohit Bakar is senior to me.
Bakar senior to you?
Of course. I was playing tennis and listening to their shows in Radio City. Radio City were the pioneers who started this FM station in Bangalore. Then I was fascinated listening to an FM station in Bangalore. I thought that was very cool. But I was pursuing tennis much later that happened, right? I had a chance to meet another legend, I would say, in the radio industry, Amin Sayani. He is the father of radio in India. Ji haan, dosto, Amin Sayani. That do you remember Amin Sayani?
Yeah. Remember there was this
Pinaka Geetmala.
There was this girl, Okay, 1 minute, just sorry. This woman is, see, ಈ ತರ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬೂಟ್ ಯು ಔಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೈ ಲೈವ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದಿಸ್ ಶೋ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ನೋ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್.
What are they saying? Who are these people?
No, they are saying, oh,
ಏನಂತ
please
ಹೇಳ್ತಾ
answer,
ಇದ್ದಾರೆ?
please answer. Don't disturb. We are talking, no, Baba. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರನೇ. You want to know about Prithvi? I brought Prithvi. Don't disturb. So Prithvi, okay, coming back, ignore. How did you feel? Were you nervous on your first radio show? In first radio show, nervous?
Of course.
Okay.
Very, very. Not first show. I was nervous for many shows.
Mm-hmm.
It is cold feet and it was a lot of effort and struggle. So I remember preparing for my first few shows. So first few shows happened in All India Radio for many 2-3 years. ಹಿಂದಿನ ದಿನ ಕಾಲ್ ಬಂದು ಪೃಥ್ವಿ ನಾಳೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಶೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ರೇಡಿಯೋಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಸ್ವೆಟಿಂಗ್ and I didn't know where to start. What am I going to do for my show? Of course, we had some amount of training to handle the equipments. Otherwise, I tell you why All India Radio is such a place to learn, because you need to do everything by yourself. Unlike a private radio station now, much against the popular belief, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
We don't play the music.
What all did you have to do for All India? What all did you have to do?
ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ. We need to go to the library and pick our CDs.
Okay.
ಯಾವ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Is there some kind of method, mood mapping ಅಂತ? ಅವಾಗ there were no terms, but intuitively you pick a certain amount of music. Maybe it sounds good in the morning, depending on what time they call on for the show. They should say ಪ್ರತಿ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಶೋ ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋ ದೇರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಮ್.
Okay.
But none preparation, I am speaking for hours. I used to make detailed script.
That's it.
Not in the way that a book is written kind of a script. The way I would like to speak now. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, if this were to be my first radio show, I used to write every line like the way I'm going to speak with you. Hi Adam, good morning, hey, welcome, pausing, where to pause, where to smile, giggle. I was scared and frightened. Many shows ಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Much later I was comfortable. It took me, I would say, I don't know, more than 50 shows. Even same with MCing as well. I was scared, but I wanted to do it.
Vasuki is online. Say hi.
It took me hundreds of shows.
Darling, Vasuki is
Vasuki
online.
Vaibhav.
Yeah, little Vasuki is there. Hi Vasuki. Such a hard worker,
One
he
of
says.
my
He's so cute.
one of
yeah,
my
he's very
favorite
cute,
contestants in Big Boss.
So, tell me, ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ
Sorry.
how
Vasuki darling.
how did you suddenly jump into Big Boss? ಪರಮ್ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು. Okay, then
ಪರಂಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ I had another call with Shraddha.
oh,
ಶುರು ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ. Said Big Boss would you be interested to go? I said yeah, why not? And he said you please come and meet Param.
okay.
So I met Param. ನಾನು ಇದೇ ತರ ಅದೊಂದು ಕಫ್ತಾನ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ.
Okay.
Param was I think quite flabbergasted. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇವರು, ಯಾರು ಇವರು, ಏನು ಇವರು ಅಂತ. And he asked me Big Boss ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾರ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ. ನನಗಂತೂ ಏನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. I knew Big Boss existed,
Like me, yes. Big
but
Boss.
contestants ಯಾರು, ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂತೂ ಏನೂ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಎಪಿಸೋಡ್ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಪರಮ್ಗೆ. I was straight forward.
Okay.
So I asked him, ನಾನು ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾ, do I need to do some research? He said ಬೇಡ, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ನೀವ್ ಹೇಗಿದ್ರು ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ. ನೀವು ಇದೇ ತರ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕೊಂತೀರ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸರ್ ನಾ ಇದೇ ತರ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. He said ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನೀವು ಅಂತ. So as simple as that. They got a call. I said yes. I met him. And the next thing I know, I had and ನನಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಬರೀ ಒಂದು 5 ದಿನ ಏನೋ. decide ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ yes or no ಅಂತ. Because my concern was I host a live show every morning. It's a prime time show, morning slot.
Okay.
To convince my radio station, get their permission was the bigger task. And I must tell you, Fever 104 FM and my boss and my team, Harsha and my team, they were very, very supportive. So I'm
Awesome.
grateful. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
Awesome.
ಸದಾ ಚಿರುಣಿ ನನಗೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. That's how Big Boss happened, just by chance.
ನೀವು ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ when you went inside, who was covering your shows? Nim shows yaar covering? Who was covering it?
Oh, a lot of credit goes to my producer. Her name is Bhuvana Anta. We call her Bond Girl Bhuvana on air. She had gotten in touch with another radio jockey from the same network, Fever Network.
Mhm.
She usually hosts a morning show in Chennai, but she had come to Bangalore for her maternity leave.
You all conned her into doing it, no?
ಅವಳನ್ನ
How?
ಪಾಪ ಅವಳನ್ನ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು and she obliged. I'm so grateful. She came and filled in for the entire month that I was
Did
in
you
Big
get
Boss.
to
It was
meet her?
like wow.
Did you get to meet her?
Huh?
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ?
Of course.
Oh, you said thank you.
Meet ಮಾಡಿದೆ, specially thanked her. I gave her a nice gift. She was happy.
Hmm. So
Of course, I was very grateful that she obliged.
a lot of people are asking. Nim videos on Instagram are super funny. We love them. I love them. I'm a fan of it. And where do you get this content from? Is it all just Prithvi or idu content bere?
ಇಲ್ಲ. Some content, some ideas I get it from TikTok. I tell you what, ಈ lockdown ಅಲ್ಲಿ in the last 25-30 days, I have additional 21,000 followers.
Wow. Okay.
Bari TikTok videoಗಳಲ್ಲಿ couple of videos went into million views.
Wow. Okay.
Overnight, I had around 4,000 followers suddenly. Most of the ideas from the TikTok are existing already in the platform. Adan tagond, I borrow it and do it. ಕೆಲವು unknown. I'm glad people enjoy it. I like doing that because I like to entertain. I like to make people laugh. I've always been driven towards entertaining people. So I enjoy it. It's not and it's ಈ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಅಂತೂ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಈ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ in the last few days. So I'm glad people are enjoying and thank you for acknowledging that.
So everybody knows Ivage. One sati their network is back, so they told me, Adam, how do we watch your shows again? Because before Nano, I only used to put it on the live stories and leave it. Illa, so everybody watching, you can rewatch this very same episode yakandre nan record madkondo and uploading it directly straight on YouTube. So it's okay. I get a lot of views there. On YouTube also get a lot of views, and on my Instagram. So thank you everybody who tries and who comes to watch my show. Audience nimki yavadu question ide for Prithvi. So if you have any questions for Prithvi.
Let's take the questions now. Yes. But ನನಗೆ throughout this conversation, Adam, I must admit some delay. There's an issue with the audio. ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ದು ನಿಮ್ದು ಅಂತ. I am unable to get that. But anyway, I think I've answered all the questions that you've asked. See, your actions are delayed like this.
Okay, wait. Let me cut. I'll cut and you join back again. Okay? I'll cut.
Hang on. 1 second. Hang on. Let me just get off my Wi-Fi. 1 second. Hang on.
Then maybe it's my Wi-Fi as well. Is it our Wi-Fi as well? No. I'm off the Wi-Fi, so it's his Wi-Fi. Okay, so guys, just wait. It was your Wi-Fi because I'm on data. I don't trust my Wi-Fi as well. So one doddu question bante.
ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಹೇಳಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದು?
I don't know. Such a big one it is. Yeah, kind of. You were good, fun to watch on Big Boss. Do you think coming in as a wildcard entry was a disadvantage? Do you think we would have survived for a long time if you had come from the start?
ಇದನ್ನ ನನಗೆ ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಮೊದಲೇ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತ. ನನಗೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ. ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಪರಮೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ನೀವು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಬೇಗ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೋಗೋಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆದು ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಡಿಂಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಯಾತಕ್ಕೆ. ದೆನ್ ಐ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ you found your bonds, your equations in the first few weeks. So I think that would help a lot of people.
Yeah.
But ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನೀವು ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗಿ you stayed there pretty long for a wild card entry again ಅಂತ. But I was treated with lots of love and even after coming out.
How many days were you there?
I was there for a month.
Oh, same like me. Even I 1 month. But Nano, I was there from the...
Were you ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ನಾ?
No way. I was from the start.
ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್
From the start.
okay.
But I stayed 1 month. 1 month ನಾನು ಇದ್ದು. Can you please enlighten us as what does it take to become an RJ? Okay, he's getting a call. So let him finish his call and he'll come back. And his head is stuck. You know. Okay, your head got stuck. We were looking at your head. And I was like, okay.
Somebody said
Yeah, what is the secret of your energy?
yeah, I'm seeing secret of my energy. I wake up with a prayer every day to be a joyful person.
Okay. And Savita,
Every morning wake up hoping that I can inspire somebody. Savita, what did she say?
She's saying, Prithvi, what is your favorite spot in the Big Boss house? Spot. Mine was a smoking zone, that's it.
I think kitchen. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರ್ತಿದ್ರು ಯೂಶಲಿ ಮೋರ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆನ್ ಬಾರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಲ್ಗಳು ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಆದಮ್, which was your favorite spot?
Smoking zone, because that was our jaganalli yaru barala. Only Andy and I used to go.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
Smoking zone.
ಯಾವುದು?
Smoking zone.
Oh, smoking zone. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, we have spent a lot of time in the smoking zone kuda. Lot of time with Raju Talikote and other guys. We should speak some profound stuff in the smoking zone, exchanging stories.
Mirror hindgade technicians irutte. There are cameras even behind that.
ಗೊತ್ತು. They used to play with us too.
I used to knock.
Oh, fan on ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡೋರು. Yeah. We have had a lot of fun in the smoking room.
Then who is the one person who annoyed you in your season? Who annoyed you?
Annoyance ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನನಗೆ. I don't remember any annoyance. Couple of times Chaitra Kotur used to
Annoy you.
Closest comes to annoyance. ಏನೋ ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾಂಗ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅವರು ಒಂದೆರಡು ಸತಿ. ಅದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಇದು annoyance is such. I was baffled seeing the way she conducted herself. ಏನೋ ಮಾತಾಡೋರು ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೆಳಗಾಗಿ ಎದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು she used to go and dance by herself. I thought why is it even required? Is it necessary?
Yeah.
Closest
ಅದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ನನಗೆ when the music used to come, right? Early morning to wake us up. ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ಬೇಕು. That music will play, everyone will dance. I will take my slipper and I will sit. ಯಾರು ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದ್ರೆ I will throw the slipper on you. Don't wake me up. Don't wake me up. I said in your house, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲಾರ್ಮ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು you will dance. Stupid fools. Get back to sleep. I used to...
But you are not allowed to sleep. You will have ಎದ್ದೇಳು ಮಂಜುನಾಥ.
No, you have to find good spots to sleep. ನಾನು ಕಿಚನ್ ಸಿಂಕ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು I used to sleep. 1 hour 45 minutes I'll sleep. Yes.
Oh my God, we have scouted for places. I think every season they are getting smarter and better.
No.
ನಮಗ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ಜಾಗ.
I was the skinniest, so I could fit in.
That's why you could.
Okay, maybe. Imagine Gaja trying to...
kitchen cabinet.
Yeah.
Wow, nobody thought of it. ನಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಸಾಮಾನು. ಬಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ Andy has to put in front of me. Andy covers so much. Okay, Andy is here. He's like, I will stand in front of Andy and I'll bend her.
You cheated 67 cameras. Hats off, Adam.
Yeah, I know. Well, yeah, boy. That's why you did a psychology test and went in. Big Boss, ಒಳಗಡೆ.
Yeah.
Yeah. How many tests? How many
Everywhere.
rounds you did? ಎಷ್ಟು round ಮಾಡಿತು?
How many?
Rounds of psychology test.
One though.
6.
Why?
I'm a psychology major. I was playing back with them. See,
I didn't know. That's news.
Also, no. ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು they have a plan or they have some sort of strategy ಮನೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ. ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ನೋಡಿತ್ತು ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಕಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡೀಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್. ಯಾರು ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, that is the one. ಯಾರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ they hated him. Okay, so come you baby, you come be my friend. Next I saw Jayashree, mom, but she was really like a mother to me, so there was no hidden agenda there. She was mom. So Jayashree and ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆಸರು ಸಿಕ್ತು ರಿಮೋಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್. So she controlled 4 people, I think. But actually original remote control is here. You want something, be nice, you'll get it. But one person who came close, annoyance level K, was definitely hands down gold medal with certificate Rapid Rashmi. That woman she's like, yes, like that has we sat and wondered. We sat, we wondered, we discussed. Even Corona will leave her. I mean, it's like that. No, seriously.
But I tell you, I think for the viewers, those who consume, they want some drama. They
Like
want something different out of the
Yeah,
regular.
then if you want drama, you come and live with that woman. I'm not living with that woman, boy. No way. No, that's not my drama. That's your drama. You want drama.
How long? You were there for a month or more?
1 month. I was there for a month. 1 month ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟ. Then ನಾನು ಆಚೆ ಬರೋದು ಮುಂಚೆ, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ after you're evicted 5 days winners-ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ wild card, all the cards coming to meet the finalists, right, for the last time.
Yeah.
What I did was I came and the Big Boss said, what do you like? You have to give us one unforgettable memory. One unforgettable memory. I told Big Boss my memory. So my unforgettable memory was how I put Rapid Rashmi's toothbrush in the toilet and then I kept it back and she used it for 2 months. So that was my most unforgettable.
Use what? Toothbrush?
Yes.
You use her toothbrush?
No. Hell no. I took her toothbrush and put it in the potty and I put it back.
Ouch!
Why for? She has a mouth. It needs to be cleaned. So I gave it back to her.
I wonder how she reacted after knowing that.
I know. Personally, I know. You can ask me. I heard the whole Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita, everything I heard in 1 hour. Everything. Yes. I got Bharat Ratna.
You are rotting in hell, Adam!
That also I was told. That also.
Unbelievable. Wow!
Now, Prithvi, I dare you. That is the 5-day challenge. I dare you.
What? To be with her?
No, yeah. Well, I dare you. 1 week.
To be with her?
Why not? She's a nice person. I love her voice. She sings beautifully.
I don't know, I could. I mean, my tolerance levels are very, very high. You never know. I could surprise anyone. Could surprise you too. I can absolutely be fine. You never know.
I'll give you stress busters. I'll give you stress busters as well.
Oh God, the audio again. I mean, I'm only. That's why I keep asking you to repeat.
Can you hear me now?
I can, but it's all delayed. After you speak your sentence, I will delay. This is like a radio show. In a radio, There's the term called deferred live. It's
Oh.
deferred live. When I say hello, the rest of the city will hear me say hello after 5-6 seconds. This is like that for me.
Well, okay.
Your actions are first, then your voice follows.
So, Prithvi, we've almost reached the end of our segment. Okay. Thank you so much for coming onto my show. Because my next,
Pleasure. Thank you for having
my
me.
next, I hope you enjoyed it. This is the no filter segment with Adam on my show.
You know what, Adam? I think this is a good opportunity for those to sensitize and help them understand and educate what or why is a person called a drag queen.
See,
Sumar Janake,
what
the
do you
only
want to
other
say?
drag queen I know is Maya, Alex Matthew.
All right, no, that's not a drag.
You know Alex?
That's not a drag queen. Sorry, that's not a drag queen. That is a pathetic
Why not?
excuse of a drag queen. Okay. Now.
That's so?
Okay, can you hear me now?
I can, but again, it's
Okay, I'll speak slowly and with great intonation as well. That is not a drag queen. That is an excuse or a very sad excuse of what Bangalore has to offer as a drag queen. That's one.
okay.
Two. She. Can you hear that? Can you hear the echo?
Yeah.
Now you know the disgust.
How was
level.
that?
That's the disgust level. Anyways, okay, a drag queen, mamuli hudga, who goes on stage, performs in drag, in hudgi batte hakondo, and will come out. That is a drag queen. Now, there are two.
Are they usually men who dress up like women?
Yeah. Now there are two types of drag queens. Two types ಇದೆ. One is camp and one is classic. Classic, idu. Okay? Where ನಾನು fake ಕೂದಲು ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ, stupid makeup ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ. No. I look as natural as possible. As natural.
Okay.
Okay? I don't have any fake eyelashes, nothing. I am,
Okay.
it is just there. Now, Maya does a good job of making a fool of herself. She does. Very good job. Okay, because new stage mele hogidre. Oh yes, I'm very pissed for that. Yakandre, there were times when she has said, oh, she's the first drag queen of Karnataka. Hell no, she is not. She started her career in 2014. I started it in 2008. I was the first drag queen Karnataka and Bangalore have. I came down. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಮುಂದೆ ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಸ್ಕರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಇಷ್ಟು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು I looked fabulous that day. I remember I even came out in Vijay Karnataka. Clipping ಇದೆ. But when you claim, especially when after that ನಾನು international super queen ಗೆದ್ದಿತ್ತು, I was putting India on the world map of saying yes, there are drag queens in India and in my state. Idu bandu, first of all, Maya is from Kerala. She has come from Kerala to Karnataka and saying that she is Karnataka's drag queen. Oh, ishtu kopa bantu nanke. I will not keep quiet for that. Okay, so there were a lot of political issues, but now everything is at rest. And she is a drag queen who works in a club. I have taken the art of drag to television. So, and I mean, I wish her all the best. So she can do what she does. But there can never be another Adam Pasha.
If you ever cross your paths, would you be cordial with each other?
Very, very, because I am not. See, what we both do the same thing. We both do drag. It's like having tea. Tea kuditya or coffee kuditya. Yes, you can have tea at an Iyengar bakery, or you can have tea at the Ritz-Carlton. There is a quality difference.
Sure.
So we are like oil and water. We don't mix. But I respect her for what she does. I'm happy that she now works in a club. I'm happy. Okay.
Okay. Now help me understand this, even for those yara notes. you become a drag by choice, right?
Yes, by choice and even
Nimma-
by interest. By interest also. Interest no ide. Drag.
Okay, now let me correct me if I'm wrong.
Mhm.
So, would you like to be addressed as he or she?
From the time I put on this dress to the time I take it off, I am always Adam. I will always be a he, never a she, because God made me a guy. I am a guy. Period. There is no difference between Adam in a dress and Adam out of a dress. I know I can carry
Sorry.
this look. I know I can look good as a guy. God has given me that gift. So I'm
Okay,
happy.
so
I am happy, however.
is this, correct me again with this technical definition.
Mhm.
So ನೀವು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು as a man, as a boy,
Yeah.
ಗಂಡಸರಾಗಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿರೋದು,
Yeah.
but you actually want to pursue the other sex,
No.
or you're not, or you don't confirm with the assigned sex at
No.
birth.
No. I'm a boy.
No?
ನಾನು ಹುಡುಗ. ನಾನು 100% ಹುಡುಗ. ತಲೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅ ಬಾಯ್. ಬಟ್ ದೇವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು
Okay.
ಒಂದು ಯುನೀಕ್ ಶಕ್ತಿ. ನಾನು ಹುಡುಗಿ ಥರನು ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಗರ್ಲ್. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅ ಬಾಯ್.
Act like.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ಆಲ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಲವ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೀ, ಬಿ ಇಟ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾನು ಹುಡುಗರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಹೇಯ್ ನೋಡೋ ಆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ನೋಡೋ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಹೇಯ್ ನೈಸ್ ರೋ. ಯಾ, ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್. ಹೂ ಸೆಡ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್? ಐ ಲೈಕ್. ಬಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಮೈ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಸಿಸಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ, ಯಾ ಶೀಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಟಾಪ್ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಸರಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಹರ್ ಕ್ಲೋದಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್. ವಿತ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಹುಡುಗಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ, that guy is cute, no? And no, look at his shoes. I help both. So I'm gifted like that. I don't know. But ನನ್ನ ಮನ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೆವರ್ ಥಾಟ್ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ನಾನು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಓ ನಾನು ಹುಡುಗಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಜೆಂಡರ್. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಜೆಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಫೀಲ್ ದೇ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅ ಬಾಯ್. ಐ ಲವ್ ಬೀಂಗ್ ಅ ಬಾಯ್. ಐ ಲವ್.
Okay,
But
so you are attracted to a girl too, sexually attracted also to a girl.
No, I used to be. I now find myself more comfortable with boys. And you know what? Idu I am straight, I am gay, I am bisexual. ಯಾರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾತು? ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಗೇ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್,
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೊಸೈಟಿನೇ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ.
ಇವಾಗ if the chemistry is right between two people, things are bound to happen. Be it a boy, be it a girl. In love there is no sexual divide. Love nalli ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
Absolutely.
I don't think there is a sexual divide.
ಯಾರು ಬೇಕೋ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, but again as you said, very societally,
Okay.
the
Just
major
in the
male
process.
female is the ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇರೋದು ಬರೀ ಮೇಲ್ ಫೀಮೇಲ್.
I know, but
Any.
it doesn't matter. See, I love people as they are. You be a bitch to me, I can be a bitch 10 times worse. I'm old. I'm an old bitch. Okay. How many years have you been? Yeah. I think you must be just a couple of years older to me. I think. I don't know. How old are you, Prithvi?
Me, I'm 42.
That's all. You're just 4 years older. I'm 37. I'll be 38 this year. Okay, so I don't need small little ಈ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಹುಡುಗ ಬಂದು ನನಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಓ you're a gay, listen, I know what I am. ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ I have been doing things and I've worked for myself. ನಾನು ಯಾರ್ದು ಮಕ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ತರ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ.
Correct, but the unfortunate part, Adam, is one, societally you have a certain upbringing. Everybody have seen X, Y in society. We need more people like you to educate, sensitize people. ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ದೇ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಅರಿವಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಸೆಡ್ we owe the LGBTQ community 40 years of apology for how homosexuality was criminalized. It was a criminal offense in India.
Yeah, correct.
I covered it extensively on my radio show. The more you speak, the more you educate, sensitize. Otherwise, ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. People are always confused. ನಿಮ್ಮಂತವರೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಟುಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ. ಯಾರು ನೋಡ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 40 ಜನ, 50 ಜನ, 100 ಜನ, 1,000 ಜನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅರಿವಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅಬೌಟ್ ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್, ಅಬೌಟ್ ಹೋಮೋಸೆಕ್ಷುಯಾಲಿಟಿ, ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷುಯಾಲಿಟಿ. ಕೆಲವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಕೋಚ. ಸಮ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಶೈ, ದೇ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಓ ಫೋಬಿಕ್.
ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಬ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯಲ್ವಾ? ಯು ಗಾನ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲಬ್ಸ್? ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್. ಯಾ, ಕ್ಲಬ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ನೈಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ನೈಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್, ಫ್ರೀ ದಾರು ಗೆಟ್ ಓಸಿ.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಜಾ, ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು.
Yeah, and when I've gone into the girls' toilet, sometimes I dress in drag and I go out. Ladies' night, nankeno free drinks sikkute. I used to think I used to go. Alli hogbittu.
That's a very tricky scenario.
I go. I see girls kissing girls. Illa, girls are kissing girls. So I don't see anything. I don't say, oh my God, you're kissing a girl. No, and they are straight. Avaru straight ಇದೆ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು, ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇವಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಟೈಪ್, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಟೈಪ್ ಓವರ್ ಮೈ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಸೊಸೈಟಿಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಮಟ್ಟ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಇರಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಒಂದೇ ಎವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಬ್ಬರಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು, ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್. That's why you need to talk more and sensitize people.
But Ivage, I'm actually very, very thankful to Colors channel and Param sir and not Shraddha. Shraddha was she was not in the Big Boss thing when I was there. Okay, Param sir especially because of him, ellaru the full Karnataka got to know gay, drag queen.
Exactly, that's what is required. Exactly, that's fantastic.
Param sir, I really thank you for this, and ide opportunity takondo I started my own talk show. This is my own
awesome
thing. So I really appreciate what they've done, and I thank the audience also because daily ಅವರು tune in ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. They tune in, and they support me. So this type of support is amazing, guys. That
Super.
means y'all are evolved. Y'all are my familiars.
Sweet.
Prithvi, anything?
Lovely.
There are no more questions for you except one by Preetham who said, were you ever this drum? When was the last time you were this dumbstruck before? That's what was the question came.
Dumbstruck?
Yeah.
When was I dumbstruck?
Because
I don't
you were
know.
not answering. I don't know.
Was I dumbstruck?
When I was talking. That was what Preetham said. Prithvi was not dumbstruck.
I don't know, Preetham. I wasn't dumbstruck. I was just keenly listening, and plus throughout this I'm struggling with the audio. There's the delay.
Okay.
But however, let's try to answer. When was I dumbstruck? I don't remember, Preetham, of a moment where I was dumbstruck now. Sorry.
So, anything...
See, somebody said, Adam can't hear you, voice breaking. So, ನನಗೆ ಒಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Adam, you look into the... Srishti says, Adam can't hear you, voice break ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So, I think maybe it's your network. For the next couple of interviews, look into this. I don't know if it is a network issue or something.
Indu Yandanaya says, my favorite was Prithvi and Bhumi. Okay. Prithvi sir...
Prithvi and?
Raja wants a shout out from you. Say hi, Raja.
Raja, Nana Raja. Thanks, Raja.
Preetham Holi says, were you genuinely
Super.
happy with the top 5 contestants?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, Preetham, genuinely I was happy. ನಾನು ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸುದೀಪ್ ಸರ್ ನನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಯಾರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟಾಪ್ 5 ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So
Okay.
yeah.
Did you
ನಿಮ್ ಫೇವರೇಟ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಯಾರು?
Did you
Adam?
expect to win?
Big Boss.
Did you expect to win?
Huh?
Did you expect to win?
Did I expect to win? No.
No?
There was a thought that had come to my mind that I should do it. After first week, I got the best performance medal. I won some tasks. That suddenly fueled me with this additional ambition. I didn't go there to win. I went out of curiosity. I thought, hey, I think if you do well, I think maybe there's a possibility. That thought had occurred, but I didn't go in to win. I didn't have that ambition to win Big Boss.
Prithvi, do you think
You?
you're being too silent towards the end of your BB journey? Do you think that halted your BB journey?
Sorry, come again.
I have 2 minutes, huh? Oh God. Okay. It says, Prithvi, do you think you were being too silent towards the end of your BB journey? Do you think that halted your BB journey?
Maybe.
Okay.
Actually, ನಾನು ಒಳಗೆ we had lots of fun internally. See, 24 hours recording ಅಲ್ಲಿ they only show 1 hour. ಎಲ್ಲ ತೋರ್ಸಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. We had lots of fun internally. ಆಚೆ ಹಂಗ್ ಅನ್ಸಿರ್ಬೋದು, or maybe they have shown that I was silent. If they have shown that, yes, that could be the reason too.
Okay. There's another one. What does it take to become an RJ?
Be as real as possible. ಆರ್ಜೆಗೆ ಮಾತು ಬಹಳ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಮಾತು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಮನಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ your presence of mind, sense of humor is a bonus.
Okay.
ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿನ್ಸಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಿನ್ಸಿಯಾರಿಟಿನ ನೀವು ಮೈಕ್ ಮುಂದೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಯುಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹೂ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ. ಇಟ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ವಿತ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್. I don't consider myself a guy with a great voice.
Jeevan
Be real, people will like your honesty.
Jeevan Prani says Prithvi deserved a long run in Big Boss. He was superb. Jeevan Pran, yes, thank you so much.
Thank you, Jim.
And Prithvi, I have to bring this to an end because I have exactly 4 minutes
Thanks.
left. We will do what we planned to do actually the next time. I'll keep in
Super,
touch with you.
Adam.
Guys, we have a surprise coming up. Prithvi and I are planning something for you in quarantine ನಲ್ಲಿ. So Prithvi free agidre, we will do it. So let's see, Prithvi, lovely speaking with you. Thank you so much for...
Lovely speaking with you too, Adam. All the best. My love to you.
Thank you so
Thanks.
much. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
So guys, that was RJ Prithvi, and I am